Hindi ka ba natatakot na baka yung true, authentic self mo on social media would affect your image as an artista?
Before, may takot ako. Kaya nga, parang last 2024, I didn't feel like myself.
Have
Pero
you
syempre, at
ever
first,
gifted a guy with
Ay, oo
something?
naman.
Ano ang extent ng gift sa guy?
Ano ba? Siguro, all expense paid trip.
Wow!
Ang
Shit!
pinaka-
ABCD,
Mm.
how are you with them?
Meron akong nabasa. Why do you always fall out with people? Baka ikaw ang problema. Maybe I am. Actually, gusto ko na may mga sarili-sarili silang theory. Meron kasi lately, di ba, nag-LA ako, so nag-English
Yes.
ako doon.
Oh.
So yung mga tao parang, Diyos ko, parang hindi ka namang laking hirap. Bakit naging Englishera ka na dyan? Bakit all of a sudden ang arte mo na dyan? Guys, people upgrade and that's fine.